Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best dishcloths is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any kitchen, transforming the mundane task of cleaning into an opportunity for sustainable living and superior hygiene. Imagine a world where your kitchen surfaces gleam, your dishes sparkle, and you're actively reducing waste with every wipe, all thanks to the humble yet mighty reusable dishcloth. A true game changer for the eco-conscious home chef. Number 5. Swedish Wholesale Reusable Sponge Cloths, 10-pack. Introducing our Swedish dishcloths, a reusable and highly absorbent cleaning solution. They are perfect for tackling messes in your kitchen, bathroom, and throughout your home. Before first use, simply wet them to transform from stiff to soft. This activation makes them ready to clean all household surfaces effectively. Enjoy a fresh cleaning experience. These cloths are designed to resist odors, thanks to their quick-drying cellulose and cotton blend, unlike traditional kitchen cloths. Make an eco-friendly choice by replacing over 15 rolls of paper towels with just one of these. With proper care, they last for months, significantly reducing your daily waste. Experience superior cleaning power. They can absorb up to 15 times their weight in liquid, handling large spills with ease and outperforming regular rags. Cleaning is simple. They are dishwasher and washing machine safe for over 50 uses. Just rinse, wash, and air dry or tumble dry on low for extended life. These cloths are safe for use on various surfaces including marble, glass, and cookware. Their rapid drying feature ensures they won't scratch or damage even sensitive materials. What we like. These are designed to be odor-free and super absorbent, replacing many rolls of paper towels. If you are looking for a sustainable and hygienic kitchen cleaning solution that won't develop unpleasant smells, these are a great choice. They are perfect for everyday spills and general kitchen cleaning. What people say. They are very versatile. Dry, they are scrubbers without scratches. Wet, they are great with dishes and counters. These aren't for scrubbing. Need to scrub? Use a rag or a razor or a scouring pad. Grab one of these. They pick up everything. And that's nice and all. It's more than nice, they do a remarkable job. But more magic comes in when you rinse them. Nothing gums up. They rinse right off very quickly so you can keep going. No fibers for things to embed in. They hold the perfect amount of moisture. They can be as wet or dry as the job you're doing requires. I love them on stainless appliances, inside of the refrigerator. They hold enough heat from warm water and enough moisture to dissolve smeared stuff kids leave on the doors. Number 4. Scrub It Multi-Purpose Kitchen Sponges, 6-pack, small. Introducing our versatile kitchen sponges, designed for all your cleaning needs. They offer powerful scrubbing without scratching surfaces. Crafted with non-scratch microfiber, these sponges effectively tackle tough messes. Enjoy a spotless clean on dishes, pots, and pans. Experience heavy-duty scrubbing power that cuts through grease and grime. These sponges are built to handle your toughest kitchen challenges. Not only are they effective, but they are also reusable, making them an economical choice. They are designed for long-lasting durability. From delicate dishes to stubborn pots and pans, these small-sized sponges are perfect for every task. Get a thorough clean every time. This convenient 6-pack ensures you always have a fresh sponge on hand. Stock up and simplify your kitchen cleaning routine. What we like. These offer a combination of non-scratch microfiber and heavy-duty scrubbing power. If you need a sponge that can handle tough messes without damaging your cookware, these are ideal. They are perfect for tackling baked-on food on pots and pans while still being safe for everyday dishes. What people say. They remove grease and residue from pans after searing or roasting with very little effort. The scrub side handles tough spots efficiently without scratching, even when used with firm pressure, while the soft side rinses clean easily and doesn't stain or retain odors like other brands. I use them daily on stainless steel cookware, granite countertops, and baking dishes, and they've held up impressively well, no fraying edges or layers peeling apart, even after several weeks of use. They also dry quickly, which helps prevent odors and extends their lifespan. The scrub side is also perfect, does not scratch. One sponge lasts me months, throw in washer, air dry. Number 3. FEBU Swedish Dishcloths 5-pack. Tackle your toughest messes with ease. These cloths absorb up to 20 times their weight, handling large spills without dripping like a regular sponge. Make the sustainable choice. One of these durable cloths can be washed and reused over 50 times, replacing more than 17 rolls of paper towels. Achieve a spotless shine every time. The unique texture scrubs away dried food and traps crumbs without scratching surfaces. Clean your home and protect the planet. Made from natural, plant-based materials, they are fully compostable and break down naturally. Use them anywhere with confidence. These gentle yet effective cloths are safe for all your delicate surfaces, from granite to glass. What we like. These feature a unique diamond texture for streak-free cleaning and are made from 100% biodegradable materials. If you prioritize an eco-friendly option that also delivers a polished finish on surfaces like granite and glass, you should consider these. They are excellent for those seeking a sustainable yet highly effective cleaning tool. What people say. They are much more absorbable than I expected. They are thick and do not rip. Dries quick, rinses clean easily, and has no lingering smell. Number 2. JOYMOOP Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 18-pack. Experience amazing absorbency that cleans any surface in just a few wipes. Achieve a streak-free shine on glass, mirrors, dishes, and more without any scratches. Crafted from a soft microfiber blend, these cloths are gentle on your hands. They are safe for all your cleaning needs, including washing dishes. These kitchen towels are incredibly absorbent, soaking up liquids and stains with ease. The lint-free design ensures a durable and effective clean every time. Save money and reduce waste by washing and reusing these cloths hundreds of times. They are a sustainable alternative to disposable paper towels. This set includes 18 cloths in 3 assorted colors, perfect for tackling various household chores. Each cloth measures 10 by 10 inches. What we like. These are ultra-soft, super absorbent, and designed for streak-free cleaning on all surfaces. If you are looking for a versatile towel that is gentle on your hands and delicate surfaces like glass and mirrors, these are a fantastic option. They are perfect for general kitchen drying, wiping down counters, and cleaning dishes. What people say. Highly absorbing and easy to wash. Soft, thick, and gentle on surfaces. I can use it to clean food messes, tips of food containers, counters, cooking utensils and equipment, and even glass tabletops. Perfect size for washing dishes and for wiping off counters and general cleaning. They are so soft and absorbent. They also come out of the laundry fresh and lovely. They stay soft and pliable and wash very well. They absorb superbly and clean without streaks. Number 1. MIOECO Reusable Kitchen Paper Towels, Organic Cotton. Switch to a more sustainable lifestyle with these reusable paper towels. Made from premium organic cotton, they are a great alternative to traditional paper products, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Experience outstanding absorbency for all your kitchen needs. These towels excel at tackling spills and messes, and even double as bar towels, outperforming disposable options. Enjoy the luxurious softness of organic cotton. Unlike disposable paper, these washable towels offer a gentle touch that won't scratch delicate surfaces, making them perfect for everyday use. Cleaning up is a breeze with these reusable towels. Simply toss them in the laundry after use for easy machine washability, ensuring they are always ready for their next task. These towels are your ultimate cleaning companion. They are perfect for absorbing spills in the kitchen, wiping down surfaces in the bathroom, and dusting throughout your home. What we like. These are made from 100% organic cotton, offering superior absorbency and a luxurious soft feel. If you are seeking an eco-friendly alternative to disposable paper towels that is also gentle on surfaces and convenient to wash, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for anyone wanting to reduce waste while maintaining a soft touch for cleaning. What people say. Excellent absorption. The waffle weave has the perfect level of scrubbing action without being abrasive. Incredible durability. I've washed these at least 15 times since purchase, over 3.5 months, running them on a warm water cycle and drying them on low heat. They have held up fantastically without fraying, shrinking, or losing their shape. They handle spills quickly without needing multiples, and they don't just push liquid around like some reusable options can. The texture is also a big plus. It has just enough grip to help lift and scrub away dried-on food or sticky messes without falling apart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.